Where does everything come from? Where do I come from? Who am I? Let's think from this infinite universe. Everything comes from this infinite universe emptiness, millions and billions of years ago, before the sun, the moon, and the stars came forth. Still, there was this infinite universe emptiness. Everything comes and goes from this infinite universe emptiness. Although it may seem it is nothing, it is actually a living existence. It is life. It is a non-material existence. It is a non-material but living existence. Even after millions and billions of years, this existence does not change or disappear. It is an eternally living existence. It creates the things of the world. Everything comes and goes from here. This is the origin of all things in the world. Where do humans come from? From here, from this origin, from this infinite universe. This infinite empty universe has a body and a mind, just like we have a body and a mind. The emptiness where every material thing comes forth is the body. And then there is this living consciousness that fills up the entire universe, which is the mind of the universe. Often this can be referred to as spirit and soul, or yin and yang, or zhang and xin. You can also call it the original parents, as everything is born from here. When you see from the perspective of the universe, whether something comes out from there or not, it is just the universe as a whole. Where you come from is this universe, and this is who you are. The answer to the question, who am I, is simply this. The universe is who you are. However, in order to see and know from your heart, from your mind, yourself needs to become the mind of the universe itself. Otherwise, there comes the mistake. I am a part of the universe. You're not a part of the universe. You are this universe itself as a whole. So in order to become the mind of the universe itself, we need to eliminate the human mind. And this is why we need to meditate.